Man, it's been a long time since I did a review on this channel. Actually, it's been a long time since I did anything on this channel. But anyway, this is Amr Makhloufi, the guy behind the art, and today we're gonna have a look on the huion Inspirational G10T, the second generation. As some of you may know that I use a Wacom EOS Pro Large in my work. It's an on-screen tablet. It does perfectly everything it's supposed to do, and I don't believe that there is a huge difference in performance in this category. So I've been passing on offers to review on-screen tablets lately until a marketing manager from an online retail website called GearBest, yes, you may have heard of it. Anyway, they reached out to me offering this tablet for a review, and I thought the large touchpad in it would come in handy when controlling the canvas in Photoshop. I thought it could be a better experience than the actual ring in the Wacom EOS Pro, so let's see if that's the case. But first, let's have a look at what's included in the box. Beside the tablet, there is an upgraded pen with a pressure sensitivity of 8192 levels. Because this one is the second generation, comparing to the previous generation that has a pen with a pressure sensitivity of 2048 levels. The pen comes in a beautifully designed case that includes the wireless receiver and 8 extra nibs plus the nib remover. The case is so rigid for safe transportation. You will find a USB-C cable for connecting and charging the tablet, a second USB cable for charging the pen, because the pen has a battery in it, so you should always carry the charging cable with you in case the battery goes flat. Also, you will find a manual and a CD for installing the software, but you can just download it from the website with the latest update available. The software allows you to do multiple things like setting up your preferred express keys and controlling the work area, changing the functionality of the pen buttons, and somewhat controlling the pen pressure sensitivity. The actual pen feels high quality, a solid build, somewhat heavy because it has a battery in it. The pressure works fine and the lines looks great, although I notice it a little wobbling when I try to make straight lines. The tablet surface is smooth with a little texture that doesn't catch scratches easily, but I've used it for just a few hours, so I'm not sure how long the texture is gonna hold before it turns to a glossy slippery spot. However, after using it for a few hours, I found that the touchpad doesn't work as I thought it would. I use mainly Photoshop. When I try to zoom using the touchpad, it zooms the same way as if I use the zoom tool. I found out that all the gestures on the touchpad works the same as regular clicks and keys. Also, the zoom out on the touchpad doesn't work in Photoshop. Maybe there's a problem in my version of Photoshop or somewhere else, I'm not sure. But I really hope that it's just a software issue and they will fix it in the future updates, cause the idea of having a properly functional large touchpad is so exciting. It really could make the workflow easier and faster. Other than that, I have not encountered any problems while drawing. The experience was great. I adapted to the express keys faster than I thought. And the pen is also great, like I said. The pressure sensitivity is always on point. And the question is, do I recommend this tablet? Well, I think for someone who is in the stage of just learning digital art, this tablet would be great for a starting point. Don't get me wrong, of course you can do professional work with it, but to be honest, looking at its small size and the touchpad slash just another way to click, it's not really helpful to do so. However, if you are not going to use the touchpad, or maybe you are okay with the way it works, and you need a small tablet for portability or for a small working area, then there is nothing that can hold you from enjoying the good quality of this tablet, except maybe the price, which is also on point in my opinion. It's around $115 at the time of shooting this video. If you are interested in this, I've put the link in the description. Just go check it out. For now, that's all I can say about this tablet. If I missed anything about it, please drop your question in the comment section. I'll be happy to reply. And I hope you enjoyed the little drawings I'm making using this very tablet. Unfortunately, I couldn't finish the second one. It's about the late legend Stan Lee. I just wanted to spend more time on the coloring and the details. I will post the full process of it later on a different video. For now, that's all I've got. Hope you enjoyed this, and to another video. Keep the art going, and peace be upon you all.